Chakshu Vyayam for healthy eyes. Due to the COVID virus, majority of the times either we are sitting in front of the laptop or in front of our mobile. This Vyayam helps our eyes to release any kind of stress. It improves the concentration and vision. This Vyayam helps in enhanced vision and also helps the peripheral vision. This Vyayam lessens the stress of developing any severe eye disease. While doing this Vyayam, follow the video carefully and repeat 5 to 10 times each and every exercise which is shown in this video. While doing this Vyayam, please make sure your neck should be straight and only your eyes should be moving. Your back should be straight and breathing should be normal. These eye exercises unquestionably benefit in relaxing and alleviating the eye pain caused due to straining, but they also apparently help in enhancing your vision and support you to see sharper and better. Now relax. Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Anulom Vilom Pranayam is very beneficial for your respiratory issues like asthma and allergies. This pranayam helps in balancing and relaxing the nervous system, and it also helps in relieving the headaches. This pranayam removes toxins from the body. This pranayam helps in building up the stamina of the lungs. This pranayam reduces the stress and keeps anxiety and depression at bay. While practicing this pranayam, make sure that your breathing pattern should be normal. You should be inhaling and exhaling at a right pace. There should be no stress while inhaling and exhaling. Do as much as you can and build your stamina gradually. While doing this pranayam, make sure that your body posture should be as shown in the video. Your back should be straight, neck should be straight, eyes should be closed, and your focus only and only should be on your breathing. Inhale and exhale as shown in the video. Relax. Don't open your eyes after finishing this pranayam. Just rub your hands gently and give the warmth of your hands to the eyes. This is very, very important after practicing the pranayam. Just gently rub your hands and give the warmth of your hands to the eyes. Setubandh Asana or the bridge pose. This asana stretches the chest, neck, spine and hips. This asana strengthens the back, buttocks and hamstrings. It helps in improving the blood circulation. It also helps in alleviating the stress and mild depression. Helps in the calming of the brain and central nervous system. It also stimulates the lungs, thyroid glands and abdominal organs. Eventually, this asana also helps in the improvement of the digestion. To do this asana, follow the video carefully. Next we have the Pavan Mukh Asana. This asana has amazing benefits. It strengthens the abdominal muscles and internal organs of our digestive system, therefore releasing the trapped gases and improve this digestion. It strengthens the back muscles and tones the muscles of arms and legs. This asana is very helpful for the people, those who have constipation and the gastritis problems. To do this asana, follow the video carefully. Make sure that while doing this asana, you should do as much as you can. Don't push your limits so much. Just do as much as you can do comfortably. Next asana we have is Marjari asana, that is cat stretch. Follow the video carefully for doing this asana. This asana is very helpful for the flexibility of spine. Just follow the video carefully. This asana helps in the improving digestion by massaging the digestive organs. It improves your blood circulation. It relaxes the mind. It also strengthens the arms, wrists and shoulders. This asana stretches our back and abdominal muscles, which in result also helps to relieve a backache. So while sitting in front of the screen, sometimes we have a backache. So this asana is very helpful in relaxing the back. Follow this video carefully. This asana is a cat stretch. Next asana is Bhujangasana. So for the long hours when we are sitting in front of the screen, we have a kind of a backache. So this asana helps in relieving any kind of pain in the spine that can be relieved by using this asana. This asana strengthens the spine, chest, lungs and shoulders, and it also helps in relieving the stress and fatigue. This asana opens the hearts and lungs, soothes the sciatica nerve, and this asana is very helpful for the asthmatic people as well. Practice this asana for relieving the any kind of backache. Manduk asana. This asana has a lot of benefits, like it prevents diabetes, it improves the digestive system, it relieves the stress and anxiety, it improves the heart health and circulation, it also reduces the fat from belly, hips and abdomen. This asana enhances the kidney and liver functioning and is very beneficial for the people those who have the problem of constipation. Follow the video carefully for doing this asana. While doing this asana, your breathing should be normal. This asana is very helpful in relieving the stress and anxiety. Tree pose or Vrikshasana. This asana strengthens the ligaments and tendon of the feet. It improves the balance and stability in the legs. This asana strengthens and tones the entire standing leg up to the buttocks, assists the body in establishing pelvic stability. This asana is very helpful in strengthening of the bones of the hips and legs due to the weight-bearing nature of the pose. Follow the video carefully for doing this asana. This asana is very helpful in the overall development of the body and the posture. Thank you for watching the video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.